If you're struggling with stuttering or know someone who is, I have some essential information to share today. It's all about awakening your ability to speak like all ordinary people. Have you ever wondered why they speak so well and what they specifically do in speech? They all intuitively use the four natural speech tools correctly without even realizing this. So let's explore these tools together. The first tool is the meaningful pause. Think of it as a moment of silence before and after each word you say. The pause is crucial. Without it, your speech becomes meaningless because you push your mouth to say something still unclear to your brain. It's like forcing your legs to run down the stairs blindfolded, not seeing your path. During the pause, all ordinary people give their brain a moment to evaluate the current situation and prepare their mouth for speaking. They allow the brain to choose what to talk about next and recall the melodic name of this object. Only after that is their mouth ready to say this oral word accurately and with ease. Incorporating the meaningful pause will make it easy for you to speak and for your listeners to understand what you're saying. When you begin pausing, it may feel awkward initially, but trust me, it's a game changer. Practice makes perfect. The second natural speech tool is a clear speech subject on your mind. Before opening your mouth, you must have the object you want to talk about. This gives your speech direction and purpose. Without a clear subject, there's nothing to discuss, right? Your mouth needs a target of what it should name with a standard oral word. Focusing on the speech subject will help your brain stay on track and ensure your mouth produces the right oral word. Having a speech subject on the mind is like having a roadmap for the following oral word ready to come out of your mouth. The third tool is the muscle memory of your speech organ, which needs to remember how to produce each oral word with accuracy and ease. Think of it as your mouth's little dance routine. The oral word has a sequence of standard movements. All people move their mouths in the same way while saying this word. Once you have these standard movements for each oral word, your mouth will make them again each time you want to say this same word. You can finally relax and let your speech organ do its thing. There is no need to think about how to say this word. Your speech muscles know this and will move automatically without tension, producing beautiful melodious speech. Your mouth will automatically perform its learned speech dance. Finally, the fourth tool is auditory memory of spoken words. This is your ability to remember not the pictures of letter words for writing, but the melodies of oral words for speaking. It is like having a musical library of the tunes of all the objects you know. Note that each spoken word is a vocal melody, a unique sound pattern stored in our brain and easily reproduced by our oral muscles. This is a natural process. Without memorizing the melody of a spoken word, your mouth does not know what tune to play and inevitably remains silent or blocked. You can quickly eliminate these blocks by building an auditory memory of oral words and begin pronouncing them like others. Now let's summarize. Here's a list of the speech tools revealed in this video. Please understand that you will never stop stuttering if you miss or misuse even one of these tools. It is like losing a piece of a puzzle. But with the proper guidance, you can learn to use all four tools effectively in as little as 3 days. At Speech Academy Etalon International, we teach students how to use these four tools correctly. Thousands have already learned, gotten used to them, and enjoy their stutter-free life. Enroll in our online school for stutterers and change your unnaturally violent and strenuous stuttering behavior to naturally peaceful and easy speech actions in 3 days and live stutter-free.